called a jack.
Jack?
Yeah. Well, since changing the wheels was a bust, he likes doing donuts and so do I. So the wife's gonna be angry, blah, 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 blah. She might be, I don't know. Come on, hurry. Let's go. Let's go. Donuts, donuts. You ready? Yeah? Put a seatbelt on or you have to sit in Dad's lap. Do you want to drive? Okay.
Sit on. Sit on.
I'll put mine on. And this thing has a bad exhaust leak. What do you think?
Sit.
You're gonna hold this, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Wow.
Oh, my door's open. Can I do it again?
I'm dizzy.
You dizzy? Yeah, you wanna drive? Alright, you drive.